Hi, my name is Pauline and I'm a teacher on the Office IT course. Very few jobs exist today that don't require you to be proficient on the global standard Microsoft Office software. On the Office IT course at BFEI, you will become competent and confident in all main computer software applications such as Word, spreadsheets, database, PowerPoint presentations, and online technologies. The pandemic has changed how businesses work and where businesses work from. And on this course, you will learn Office 365, which will support remote working. So if you are a complete beginner, or you have fear of computers, or you have some basics, this course will take you from beginner level to a level 5 certificate in Office Informatics, certified by QQI. So if you're looking to upskill, change your career, or you've been away from the workplace for several years and wish to return, or you simply want to have IT skills to support yourself running your own business, then this course is ideal for you. It's designed to run Monday to Friday, mornings only. It's free to apply. And more information can be found on the bfei.ie website or college brochure, dropping into the college, or simply giving the college a call. Note, this is not a course for someone who wants a career in IT, but rather it is a course for someone who wants IT to support any career. Most jobs today require computer literacy. So if you want to boost your confidence in this area, apply for the Office IT course and join us for 1 year and watch the doors open